Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today's video is about phone cleaner for Android. In this video, we are going to tell you how to install and use Max Cleaner and some of its features. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search Max Cleaner. And here is the result. Click on it. Install this cleaner. Let's see some of the features of this cleaner. Phone cleaner app with virus cleaner, device cleaner, system cleaner, antivirus. It has 4.8 rating. It's Android cleaner, space booster and virus cleaner. 5-star boost cleaner features of Max Cleaner. Phone cleaner app, clean my Android and free up space. Best antivirus for Android. Virus cleaner remove viruses and anti-malware. Space speed cleaner speed up Android device in one tap. Power cleaner for Android clear cache and cookies app. Battery saver save battery power long time. Max Android cleaner improve your phone performance in all aspects. Phone cleaner and system cleaner will free up space. Phone cleaner and booster to speed up phone. Clean virus by built-in antivirus app effective in battery saving. Details of these features are written below. You can read it later. 5 million downloads. It's updated on 13 April 2018. It is installed now. Open it. Click start. Here it shows MB for junk files. Click to clean. It's now searching for junk files or data, memory cache, app junk and system junk. Here it gives the option to clean hidden cache junk also, but I skip it for now. I clean 877 MB. Click over here. It's cleaning the data. Not now. It's clean 877 MB junk files or junk data. Rate the app later. Boost your phone. It's cleaning the RAM. 577 MB freed up. Clean virus. Is searching for viruses. 2 issues found. Click on resolve. Click not now. And issues are resolved. Go back. Free up the space by clean notification, WhatsApp, big files, duplicate photos, manage apps. Clean notifications from here. Unnecessary notifications. Remove WhatsApp data that is unnecessary. Here are different options. Use app locker. To lock your apps, I leave it for now. CPU cooler. Cool your mobile with this option. Click on cool down CPU. OK. It's asking for permission for max cleaner in the accessibility. On it from here. Click OK and all done. But I leave it for now. Back. 19 apps are closed. Close ads. Max boost. Scanning the running apps. Click boost to stop the battery killing app or memory killers. Again it's asking to enable the permission. Game booster. Boosted game speed by 30%. Call assistant. Data thief. There are no apps burning your data. Scan your files. All risks are resolved. Change the settings of the app from here. Call reminder, blocker reminder, real-time protection, APK remover, smart screen, smart charging. So these are some of the awesome features of this app that clean your phone and speed up. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.